Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to add Bitmoji stickers to Instagram stories. That's really simple. First of all, you need to log in your account into the Instagram mobile app. When you're done with that, simply press on your story and simply press on camera and just capture any snap. Then simply press on the right button. Here you can simply open the keyboard, then go in stickers. From here you can simply use your emoji. Just wait for a while, it's loading. It'll just take your like 3 to 5 minutes to load that. Just hurry. That is simply press on that. So now you are able to add Bitmoji stickers to Instagram story. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.